Hello and happy new year. I hope no matter what you celebrate during the festive season, you had a safe and relaxing holiday and your 2025 is off to a good start. Today, I'm deep diving once again into the analytics behind my YouTube channel. I'm big on transparency. So every year for the past 2 years now, I believe I've done an annual recap of how my channel performed, both views and everybody's favorite topic, money. How much revenue did I make from AdSense, which is YouTube ads? And what did I make from affiliates and all those other income sources here in the channel? So without further ado, let's jump into the data and see how 2024 was for me as a small YouTube creator. So first, let's start with how you become a YouTube partner, get into the partner program and start earning money through YouTube, because not everybody knows the 2 paths that are now available to do this in 2025. If you are a shorts creator or long-term content creator, you still need to hit 1,000 subscribers. That's probably easier to do than the other criteria, but 1,000 subscribers you need to hit first. And then you need at least 4,000 public watch hours on long-form content in the past 12 months, or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. So if you're a shorts creator or long-term content creator, there's now 2 avenues to get into the partner program. Once you hit those criteria, you can apply for the partner program. And once you're approved, you will start generating revenue based on the views and watch hours of your videos going forward. All right, with that out of the way, let's look at views and how we did in 2024 for view count. So in 2024, I reached 538,687 views. That is pretty fantastic. That's 67% more than 2023. So a huge thank you to everybody who's watched the video, subscribed to the channel, and joined us on this journey. 2024 was the best year for me on YouTube as a small content creator yet, and I can't wait to see how things go for 2025. So those 539,000 almost views, those translated into 18,100 video watch hours. Again, that's 74% higher than last year, which is pretty wild. And to put that in context for you, that's the equivalent of 754 days of content watched on the channel, my channel, last year, which is wild. I know that that's still pretty small fry in the grand scheme of things, but for me, that is huge. So that was amazing to see. What about subscribers? Well, I had a goal to hit 3,300 subscribers by the end of 2024, and I didn't quite get there. I'm just shy. I'm like 12 subscribers shy at the time of this recording, but I gained 832 subscribers during the course of 2024. That's, again, a huge jump over 2023, 83% more than last year. So again, huge thank you to everybody who's subscribed, who's joined the journey, and who's connected with us here in the channel. Can't wait to see what that number jumps up to in 2025. That is massive. And now let's talk about everybody's favorite topic, which is revenue or money. How much money did I make? This is direct money through YouTube AdSense, Google AdSense. This is what the channel itself directly made. $3,504.03 in 2024. That's massive. That's a huge increase. It doesn't have the number right here, but if I go to 2023 was $1,199.40, $1,199.40. So almost 3 times the revenue in 2024 versus 2023 from YouTube ads. It's huge. That is a massive, massive jump. However, that's obviously not a survivable wage. $3,500 is great for a small creator with, under 5,000 subscribers, but it's not the be all and end all. However, there are some alternate revenue sources that I also have that kind of tie back into the channel or are directly related to my videos here on the channel. And those are brand deals and affiliate links. This year was, of course, just like with all the other metrics, a huge year for me for both of these other income sources. So let me quickly break them down for you and tell you how we fared. So I earn affiliate income from a few different sources, such as the Amazon Affiliates Program, Amazon Associates, I believe it's called. There's also a couple other affiliate programs that I'm a part of. For example, great friends of the channel, Mott and Bow, have an affiliate program that I'm a part of. So if you use my link and my coupon code designer10 when you're checking out a Mott and Bow, then I get a little bit of a kickback, and it's hugely appreciated. So the affiliate income that I generated this year was $598.64. That's from all of the affiliate programs I'm a part of. So that basically brings my total income up to over $4,000. Again, nothing crazy, but still really amazing to see as a small creator. And then I can't say the name of the brand because I'm under contract with them, but I did do my first ever paid brand partnership, brand collaboration this year. I'd love to be able to do more of these. I feel like there is absolutely huge untapped revenue potential for me in the channel from doing more of these. But this year I only made $47.75 after the US to Canadian conversion rate. So not huge, but again, I think there's potential there as the channel grows and continues to expand and get more eyeballs on it, more watch hours, more views, more subscribers. I think that's a huge opportunity for me there. And lastly, I have one more income source, which is just starting up for me. I just started doing it this year, and that's selling digital products. And I'm using Fourth Wall primarily for that, although I am on Gumroad and a couple other places as well. But Fourth Wall has been my primary ad channel. It's the one I link in my descriptions in all my videos to shop at. It's the one I've got connected to the YouTube product shelf, which is that set of products under the video, which you might be able to see right now as you're watching this. So again, as I said, I'm just starting this out, but I do, again, see huge opportunity to grow and develop this as the channel expands and gets more eyeballs on it. I had 5 orders through my Fourth Wall account, my Fourth Wall page, which generated $19.30 in profit. So again, not a huge thing yet, but I do think this could grow more and more as time goes on. So add it all up, how much money did my channel make and all the related entities to the channel make in total in 2024? $4,169.72. Not huge, definitely not gonna pay the bills for me yet, but this is more than triple what we did last year. And as we grow and grow and grow, and I continue to do more here on the channel, I hope this will continue to develop and expand. I would love to take my small content creator journey to the next level in 25 and beyond. So thank you again to everybody who's been a part of it so far, who will be a part of it through this coming year. Can't wait to do another one of these recaps at the start of 2026 and see how we did. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. All of you are fantastic. Really, truly appreciate from the bottom of my heart all your support. Looking forward to seeing what we can do together in 2025, and we'll see you in the next video.